Today guys, I'm going to harvest some lemons just here. I spoke with my neighbor, Colleen. Hi Colleen. Knock knock. Yeah, I'll just get some lemons.
Yeah, just
See you in my vlog. I told my friends I'm harvesting.
yeah.
Okay. I'm harvesting some lemons here. See that? There's a lot of lemons. They're juicy. It's good. I have cold and cough, so I will have it with lemon. With honey. I mean, see, harvesting. I can pull it out. They're very juicy. I went to the shop today to get some lemons, but I have thought I'll just ask my friend Colleen because these are really juicy and big, and it's good vitamin C. So maybe 2 more. Yeah, this one. Vitamin C. It's really cold today. I think I can have one more. Then can make with warm water and lemon, and that's where we live. It's just next door. Colleen, thank you. Have a good day. I got 6.
Yeah, that's all right.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye. It's gloomy today, and I'm just doing some chores. This is where we live. I miss the agapanthus. This used to have 2 months ago flowers, and yeah, I tried that one. Yeah, purple flowers. But I love spring, which we have a lot of flowers in the garden, especially the lavender. And then I have some dried lavender in the toilet, but the leaves are really good too. In the morning when I'm having tea on the porch, so I'm just sniffing all these leaves. It's like very relaxing. The aroma is really good. Guys, I'm gonna make my lemonade honey. So guys, at the moment I still have the cold, and I'll be doing a natural cold remedy. We're gonna do a lemon and honey with really warm water. And shout out to Anne who gave us this mug last 2 years ago. He gave us 2, one for Nigel and one for me. I think that's anniversary gift for us. Thank you, Anne. And so before we start, we're gonna roll the lemon so it loosens the fiber, the pulp bits before cutting it. So we prepare the squeezer. I have used this with my orange this morning, and we'll start. some exercise too for my floppy arms. So squeeze out the juice. For me, I think I need a whole lemon. So you got the vitamin C, full vitamin C for today. And you can just sweeten this with your honey. Normally some people, they just use half of this, but I want it more sour. I like sour when I have cold. We should do this every day, you know, not only when we are sick. So I've got the juice, and pour in your cup, and then I need to put some more hot water because I put half of the cold water. I don't want it too hot. I only have 1 teaspoonful left because we love honey. We put on my cereal sometimes, and this is we bought this in Windara in Swan Valley. We love mixing it with oatmeal also. It's really good. I will take you there, guys, and I will vlog it because I can't find my video, which I filmed it last year, and then they got this different kinds of honey. So I need one of these. We're gonna come back in Swan Valley. So stir in, and then that's it. You have your daily dose of vitamin C. I should do this every day, and voila. Have a great day, guys.